I spent one whole week learning Blender just to answer the question, can you learn Blender in a week? And with that, welcome to Learning Blender Basics. Let's get right into it. Today, I just followed some tutorials, so I don't have much recordings of it, but I'm just going to show you quickly what I've done. And I can already say I'm very proud of myself, even though it was just with tutorials. First, I made these glasses, which are my actual glasses, by the way. I made them with Blender Vitals tutorial. It was just 1 minute long and it was great. Now with the glasses we can also see the other ones. Next, I made this very realistic barrel. It's definitely the best thing I've done so far, but that was just because of this amazing tutorial by Pixo 3D. I can really recommend this one. I learned a lot from it and it just looks great. But I still hate normal maps. But moving to the next one, I made these stylized crystals. These ones I've just did very fast and I used Gabit's tutorial for that. These ones looked a lot better, but that was just because I've did mine very fast. For the ending, I've done a little ballpoint pen. This one I actually did on my own because I wanted to do something on my own at least. And I think it's not that bad for that, but it's definitely the worst one. With that, day 6 is already over, but I can say you all have to be very excited for day 7 because the kitchen turned out amazing. I used the whole day for it and you will see the video tomorrow. And on Saturday, I actually have an announcement because I'm going to upload the whole series in a whole on these following time zones. And with that, thanks a lot for watching the video. I know it was a short one and I have to apologize because I'm a little sick, so I didn't manage to make a great one. But with these great tutorials I still managed to do something and I'm still proud of myself. See you tomorrow for the final day. I'm very excited to show this to you guys and bye.